stealth mission anymore, ladies. Bring it loud and fast. Keep your shirt on, Sparky. Oh, yeah. Sure thing.
Where does it hurt?
By the numbers, boys. Activate the auto turrets! Oh, you ain't keeping me from that monster. Outstanding. Will do. This better be good. Sure. Orders received. Been waiting on you. Armed and ready. By the numbers, boys. Who wants some? Sure. Looking forward to it. Got it. Aye, aye, sir. Affirmative. Gangway. Coming.
Sir, I'm picking up Dominion battle cruisers on an intercept course with the Odin.
Hey, Hotshot. You want these Wraith fighters now? They'll take down a battle cruiser easy. You can build more to stop them. Been waiting on you. This better be good. Roger that. Go ahead, Command. Roger. So what's the plan now, Commander? Trash them bases, right? Jimmy? Partner? Can you hear me? Well, if you ain't gonna tell me not to have a little fun, I'm gonna have a little fun. Here I go. Attack formation. Sector locked.
Our allies are being attacked.
You want some of this? Boom. Roger. Thrusters to maximum. Will do, Commander. Coordinates received. Sector locked in.
Our allies are being attacked.
Bad news? We hear you. Reporting in.
Our allies are being attacked.
Transmit coordinates. Coordinates received. Vector locked in. Man, I need SCPs to fix some of this damage. Starting to feel a mite sluggish.
Does he always talk this much, sir?
Yeah, but once you get him in a fight, he never shuts up.
Well, now that's done with. I'm gonna take me a little break. Good thing I brought me some liquid refreshment.
Base is under attack.
Now that ain't the spot. There's Nothing like knocking back a cold one on top of your enemy's smoking corpses.
Please state the nature of your medical emergency.
Standing by. Big job, huh? Reporting in. Vector locked in. I can't wait no longer. Here it comes. Attack formation. Thrusters to maximum. Will do, command. Coordinates received. Thrusters to maximum. Attack formation. Roger. Vector locked in. Will do, command. Coordinates received. Will
Our
do,
allies are being attacked.
This better be good. Of course. By the numbers, boys.
Is it critical?
Big job, huh?
Our allies are being attacked.
Attack formation. Who wants some? Okay. Flashy red button. Boom, baby. Damn. That is hot. This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me. Will do, command. Coordinates received. Vector locked in. Roger. You gonna give me orders? Got it.
Our base.
You want some of this? Of course. Standing by. Go ahead, command. Huh? This better be good. Bad news?
Our allies are being attacked.
Sure thing. Will do. Transmit coordinates.
Unacceptable landing zone.
Reporting in. Reckon you boys will need some time to catch up. Good old Tychus be right here taking it easy. Just wake me up when y'all ready. I reckon a small nuke ought to do it.
Base is under attack.
Standing by. In the rear with the gear. Reporting in. Thrusters to maximum. Attack formation. Sector locked in. Coordinates received. Come on, Jimmy. You gotta hit some three. Go ahead, command. Will do, command. Time to kick ass and chew bubble gum. Attack formation. Coordinates. Boom, baby.
Our allies are being attacked.
This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me. Thrusters to maximum. Transmit coordinates. Will do, command. Attack formation. Go ahead, command. Coordinates received. What's going on? Standing by. Vector locked in. Will do, command. Roger. Go ahead. Go ahead, command. Reporting in.
3 bases down. Maybe the convict has it. Uses after all.
Go ahead. You know, I think I'll take me another breather. You better get some backup ready for me, Jimmy. Uh-huh. You gonna give me orders? Looking forward to it.
Base is under attack.
Will do, command. Coordinates received. You reckon these Dominion boys will put up a fight this time? I ain't barely broke a sweat. Formation.
Base is under attack. Base is under attack.
Whoa, they're all over me. Roger. Attack formation.
Base is under attack.
Vector locked in. Here we go. I'm hitting my stride now. Roger. Big job.
Our allies are being attacked.
This better be good. You want some of this? Want some? Anyway, go. Will do. Oh, yeah.
Our allies are being attacked.
Go ahead.
Base is under attack.
Ah! You hear me? Reporting in. Armed and ready. This better be good. That's fine.
Base is under attack.
Standing by. What's going on? Who wants some?
Our SCVs are under attack.
Standing by. This better be good. Transmit coordinates. Reporting in.
Let's.
Go ahead, Command.
This is gonna get tricky. I'm detecting battle cruisers at the next base, and the Odin doesn't have strong anti-air capabilities.
Scramble more wraiths from the starport. If we have enough, we can handle those battle cruisers.
Now that was fun. Don't worry, old buddy. I'll give you some time to catch up. Well, I'll be. Those Dominion eggheads really thought of everything. Pardon me a moment.
Base is under attack.
Sectors locked in. Thrusters to maximum.
Base is under attack.
Coordinates received.
Base is under attack.
There we go. You ready yet?
Is under attack.
Vector locked in. Thrusters to maximum. Roger. Coordinates received. Will do, Command. In the rear. Been waiting on you. You're reading this, Jimmy, 'cause I'm heading for the last base now. Standing by. Report. Go ahead. You gonna give me orders?
Our allies are being attacked.
The Odin is in range. Fire the Yamato cannon.
Now that ain't fair. Standing by. Armed and ready. By the numbers, boys. Orders. Transmit coordinates. Attack formation. Vector locked in. You gonna give me orders? Go ahead, Command. This is gonna hurt you a lot more than it's gonna hurt me. You want some of this? Hello there. Nah, I miss this button with a skull on it.
Alien launch detected.